Hey everyone, I am back with the GPX for another video, and yes, this time it's the Tugger strap once again. This is style number 1 for the rear, and I will have links in the description going to their product. Like I said in the first video with the front strap, it's a great company. It's www.thetugger.com. Check them out. They support our trails. That's why they're an awesome company, and it's made in America, right in North Logan, Utah. So support these folks. Mom and pop type shop, so they're not rich. They're just making a good product that fills a need, you know? And it helps us out. So I guessed on which strap I would need, and I bought this, by the way. And it should fit on the bolts underneath. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to attach it underneath and see if this one works. So hopefully style 1 works. So in the baggie, we get various bolts, nuts, washers, spacers, various things you may or may not need due to your bike. So that's why they give you so many different items, because it's made to fit maybe a wide range of product. And let's take a look at the most important part, the strap. So again, this is a seat strap, so it's flat. That way not to interfere with your butt. I've ridden with these many times in the past. I actually had one on my XR650R, and it's good. You don't notice it back there. It's nice and it's thin enough. If you had like more like the front handle type, where it has material inside to help grab, it would you'd probably feel it when you are sitting. It wouldn't be as comfortable, but this is nice and smooth. You can get these embroidered any way you want. This is long enough, you could probably fit your website if it's reasonable. Maybe your YouTube name on it if you want, or your nickname or something. So you can make it your own. You can pick the color of thread and they will do that. So it's going to go on. It's going to go up like that. And here we go. The best lift strap. I agree, it is. But I'm also going to... Oh, they used a good material. I was going to get rid of that piece. Oh, that's okay. We can leave it. So I need to look underneath. See where those... Okay, there's a bolt there. And there's one here. Fit. There's a little bit of elastic give right there. Keep it tight. I have some play here. I think I might need just a tad bit more length. So I will go that way. Hold it. And like I said, just a tad. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what we need to do here. It's actually an 8mm underneath. I need to go reverse. GoPro took a dump for some reason, but I'm back. So this spacer on the OEM bolt should go like that. Shouldn't need a washer in there because, well, that's aluminum. You'll shove that through the opening of the Tugger strap like so. And so see, it'll swivel. At least that's how I'm going to do it. So I'll do the same. That seemed to work there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. They also give you a bunch of bolts. I suppose one of these would also work if I want to change out the bolt. Okay, so I took off the right side. Get rid of the stock washer. Take the black spacer. So I grab the light so you can all see, so you can see how the strap attaches right there in front of the end of the exhaust. And same on this side, just like that. So use those black spacers, and as you can see, it's on there, and then it comes around like so. And on this side, it comes around like so. Gives you plenty of room to put your hand under and provide a lifting point. This is pretty much out of the way, being right at the back of the seat here, or you can even keep it off like that if you want, if you don't want it on the seat for some reason. But here it is. So again, like I pointed out on the front, somebody comes up to your bike to help you, point out you have a tugger strap. Otherwise, they're grabbing the back of your fender and exhaust, and it's like, I got a tugger strap, it's right there. And as soon as you point to it, then they realize. I've never had anyone be like, huh? At least not yet. And because I forgot to end the last video of the embroidery, so this is one of their original, it's just a flat tugger strap, but they did my username, which I used to go by on a lot of sites, Modette, and I've used it for basically ever. This side's even bashed in, probably hit a rock or something, and it's on there. It just sits here, and I point to when somebody wants to help, if I need the help, and then they can grab it, and gives a good point. So you can get it embroidered just like that. Unfortunately, I don't have a rear one on the gas. I used to. I haven't had it for a long time. So hopefully that helped you all out. It's a great strap, like I said. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And stay well and stay safe, my friends. Have a good one. Bye.